Hi everyone, I'm Olaf, and I like warm hugs.